In Austin, Texas, something historic just occurred. A regular Tesla Model Y, no extra hardware, no test branding, was seen driving itself through real city streets. It had no one behind the wheel, just a car and the open road. This wasn't science fiction, it wasn't a closed test. It was reality, and it was caught on camera. The clip exploded online. Within 24 hours, it had millions of views. Influencers were speechless. Car experts were stunned. This wasn't just Tesla showing off. It was Elon Musk making good on a promise years in the making. We are now entering a new era of transportation, an era where vehicles no longer need drivers. And Tesla isn't asking permission. They're doing it. The Robotaxi has arrived. In this video, we take you through everything: what this moment means, how it works, and how it's going to reshape our world. The footage was simple but powerful. A Tesla Model Y quietly glided through a busy Austin intersection. No one in the driver's seat, no backup driver. It stopped at a red light. It turned a corner. It even paused for a pedestrian. Social media exploded: Twitter, TikTok, YouTube. The video was everywhere. Comments flooded in. Was this real? Was this legal? Is Tesla really doing it? Elon Musk responded on X. Yes, no modifications, no tricks. Tesla fan pages reposted it. News networks picked it up. Analysts went live. The consensus? We just saw the world change. This wasn't a prototype like we'd seen in years past. This was a regular, mass-produced Tesla with full self-driving activated. And it worked. Perfectly. Shortly after the video went viral, Tesla made it official. This was not a fluke. It was the beginning. Tesla announced a small-scale robotaxi pilot in Austin. 10 to 20 cars. All Model Y. All fully autonomous. They wouldn't drive everywhere, just within geo-fenced zones in downtown Austin. But they'd drive completely on their own. Musk confirmed the full launch is scheduled for June 22, 2025. If regulators approve, Tesla will begin rolling out Robotaxis city by city. The best part? These vehicles are built exactly like the ones customers are already buying. No extra sensors, no LiDAR, just Tesla's internal camera-based AI system. It's sleek, it's simple, and it's working. This isn't just a cool piece of technology, it's a paradigm shift. For decades, car companies promised self-driving. Tesla is the first to actually deliver it in public, on a regular car, at scale. And if it scales, everything changes. Rideshare, public transport, city infrastructure, insurance, ownership. No more drivers falling asleep, no more surge pricing, no more drunk driving deaths. Tesla aims to eliminate human error from the equation entirely. This could also unlock trillions in productivity. Imagine being able to work or relax while your car drives itself through traffic. Tesla's not just changing how we drive, they're changing what it means to own a car. But not everyone is cheering. Critics argue Tesla is moving too fast. Regulators haven't fully approved this yet. The technology still has flaws. And what happens when it fails? Privacy advocates raise concerns. Safety watchdogs warn about edge cases, unpredictable moments no AI can predict. Accidents, weather, glitches. Some lawmakers are calling for robotaxi bans until better legislation is in place. They're asking, if something goes wrong, who's responsible? Tesla says it's ready. Their system can pause, reroute, and call for human intervention. But will that be enough? The future is coming fast. But so are the questions. And Tesla needs to answer them quickly. So what does this all mean for you? Within 5 years, you might not own a car. You might summon one with your phone. And it might arrive empty, with no driver, ready to take you anywhere. That's the future Elon Musk envisions. Clean, efficient, electric, autonomous. This could reduce traffic, lower emissions, free up parking, and dramatically cut transportation costs. It won't happen overnight. But if Tesla's pilot succeeds, the roadmap is clear. More cities, more robotaxis, fewer traditional cars. It's not science fiction anymore. It's already on the road. And the next time you're in Austin, don't be surprised if your Uber shows up and no one's inside. Subscribe to tomorrow's update for more breakthrough content like this.